Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
And I will show you one more policy today. Let me configure this one. Application block policy. How you can block the applications.
Have we already done application aware policy as well?
Application aware routing, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, that's something actually the production traffic is not available in the lab, so that will not be possible. We will require some production traffic so that when the LAN traffic will be uh, hit to the edge and it will
So
redirect.
eveng doesn't have a generator or something?
No, even it does not have any generator because the different kind of signature traffic is not possible to generate. Traffic generator maybe I think EVNG have, but how we will match the signature, right? So that may be so application block. If I will show you that what you need to do. So basically, it's totally depend on design. There's a multiple policies you can configure, multiple way that you can divert your traffic. So I'm showing you just example here for some policy that not possible to show the all the policies. There's multiple policies you can configure. So if I will go to here application block. So first I'm having okay. I will first on this PC start.
And another question. So application aware policy can be localized policy as well?
No. It will be a centralized policy. Localized policy is only for QoS and some localized policy. I think we have shared one
Yeah, you
QoS.
did share.
Yeah. So application aware routing you cannot do locally. That will be a centralized policy. Yes, that kind of differentiation you can do. That if you want, you have suppose in our topology we have 4 sites. So you want to apply only for these two sites. That is possible.
Okay.
But specific to that site, not possible to
Okay.
that localized one. Yeah, either you want that policy will work only for this edge, then only you can only mark this site ID.
Okay.
Okay, so in this edge we have this data prefix list. So either we can provide some specific IP 10.10.10.2. We are not creating any list. If you will create any list, then you can map there. So there is the same procedure. Okay, I will create a list. That is application block. And VPNs we already have, not required. Application we can define. Okay, Instagram or Netflix. That's fine. And go to next. No topology we are changing. Only we are blocking this application. Go to traffic data. Add policy. Create new. So block. First sequence type. Application firewall you can use, or if you don't find any option, you don't directly you can go to the custom. Okay. So application firewall will be used for that one. So application list, here we can match Instagram, Netflix there, and source data prefixes. So we already have list, app block. So we just select application and the source data prefix, action, drop is already enabled. Okay, and save and match action. Default action, we will allow accept, otherwise all internet will be dropped. Save data policy. That's it. Now we'll go to next, and simply here we can map application block policy.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.